heard someone say, do not put bananas inside the fridge, it will go black. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of AgroGist with Naija Farmer. Here is the myth about bananas that most people do not know about. Bananas naturally produce a gas called ethylene. This gas speeds up ripening. When you refrigerate a banana too early, the peels goes black, but inside is sweet and edible. If you leave it outside, ripening continues, sometimes even faster. If you want them to last long, separate them and refrigerate them when they are perfectly ripe. Black bananas doesn't mean bad bananas. Sweetness is still inside. Thank you guys and cheers.